Now we'll study the process of megasporogenesis. It is a process of formation of megaspores from megaspore mother cell. This process takes place in the ovule part from the nucellus cells of the ovule. First we'll study with the help of flow chart. In this flow chart you can see the cells in the nucellus part of ovule, which are called as megaspore mother cells. They will first undergo meiotic division to form 4 megaspores. But out of these 4, only one will be functional. That's why it is called monosporic development. And this functional megaspore will undergo the mitotic division to form the female gametophyte. So now here you can see with the help of diagram how the megaspore mother cell undergoes meiosis to form 4 megaspores. Out of these 4 megaspores, only one will be functional. Okay, and this is the process which shows the complete process of megasporogenesis. I'll be explaining this complete process step by step. So first, out of the 4 megaspores which are produced, 3 will degenerate. Only one will be functional. Since only one is functional, this process is called monosporic development. Now the functional megaspore will then undergo mitosis, first forming 2 nuclei which will go to the opposite poles, then ultimately forming the 8 nucleate structure. And this 8 nucleate structure develops into embryo sac. And this embryo sac has got 8 nuclei but only 7 cells, which I have already explained. 3 cells which are called antipodal cells towards the chalazial end, then big central cell having 2 polar nuclei, and egg apparatus having 2 synergid cells and 1 egg cell. Now I'll explain the whole process of megasporogenesis very in an easy form with the help of diagram. You can see here first in the ovary part, from the placenta the ovule develops. In the ovule, the nucellar cells result into the formation of megaspore mother cell. This megaspore mother cell will undergo meiosis to form 4 megaspores. But out of these 4 megaspores, only one will be functional megaspore, which will ultimately result in the formation of embryo sac, and 3 megaspores will degenerate. So now this functional megaspore will undergo mitotic division, first forming 2 cells, followed by 4, and then 8. There are 8 nuclei are formed, and these 8 nuclei which are formed, they will organize themselves in such a way that the embryo sac structure is formed. In this diagram is also given in your book. You can see here, this is very important diagram. Now you can see the embryo sac which is fully developed, has got a very peculiar arrangement. 3 antipodal cells, 1 central cell, and